Hello friends, in this video you will get to know all about NSTSE, what is its eligibility criteria, exam pattern, examination fees, how you can apply for the exam, and finally what are the advantages and awards of this exam. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. First, we will understand what is NSTSE. The National Level Science Talent Search Examination, or commonly known as NSTSE, is a skill test conducted by the Unified Council, a professionally managed progressive organization, with its objective to identify and nurture the best brains of the country in the science discipline. Being a curriculum-based examination, the NSTSE critically assesses a student's strengths and weaknesses on the basis of concepts. Unlike the regular examinations, NSTSE measures what and how well a student has understood the fundamentals instead of memorizing the existing facts. Now, what is the eligibility criteria of NSTSE students studying in classes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 PCM and 11 PCB and 12 PCM and 12 PCB are all eligible for this exam. But you should note that there is no exam for 11, 12 PCMB group. Now, what is the exam fees? If you are doing individual registration, you need to pay Rs 354 including GST. This includes your examination fee, plus student's performance report, plus 2 previous question papers, plus success series book. But if you are doing registration through school, you need to pay only Rs 150. Now, as you know, what is NSTSE, its eligibility, and you want to appear for this exam, you first need to understand what is the exam pattern. The same is given here. Each class has a different question paper, and all questions are objective type with no negative marking for wrong answers. For class 1, there are total 40 questions, each of 1 mark. For class 2, there are total 50 questions, each of 1 mark, and for classes 3 to 12, there are total 60 questions, each of 1 mark. Duration of the examination for all classes is 60 minutes. Division of marks in question paper. For class 1, there are 15 questions from mathematics and 25 questions from general sciences. Every question carries 1 mark. For class 2, there are 20 questions from mathematics and 30 questions from science. For classes 3 to 5, there are 25 questions from mathematics, 30 questions from science, and 5 questions from critical thinking. For classes 6 to 10, there are 10 questions from biology, 10 questions from chemistry, 10 questions from physics, 25 questions from mathematics, and 5 questions from critical thinking. Every question carries 1 mark. For class 11th and 12th PCM, there are 25 questions from mathematics, 15 questions from chemistry, 15 questions from physics, and 5 questions from critical thinking. For class 11th and 12th PCB, there are 25 questions from biology, 15 questions from chemistry, 15 questions from physics, and 5 questions from critical thinking. To apply for this exam, there are 2 ways. First way is individual registration. The Unified Council accepts direct registration of the candidates. You can register on the official website of the Unified Council. The application form fee can be paid online through net banking or debit or credit card. Or you can register by your schools. If your school conducts NSTSE, you can also register by your schools. If your school does not conduct NSTSE, you can register individually through the official website. Link of official website of Unified Council is given in the description. Awards. Prizes for national achievers are NSTSE topper is awarded Rs 2 lakh cash prize. The student who achieves the first rank and highest percentage of marks among all the classes is declared as NSTSE topper. The top rankers and next 2 rankers in each class are awarded a laptop and a tablet PC, respectively, plus a memento to each. Ranks 4 to 10 and 11 to 25 of each class are each awarded a cash prize of Rs 2,000 and Rs 1,000 respectively each. Rankers 26 to 100 of each class are each awarded BMAS Talent or Olympiad Exams Resource Book from Brain Mapping Academy each. All the rankers 1 to 100 are each awarded Olympiad Coach online subscription worth Rs 1,198, a medal and a certificate of appreciation. Participation certificates are offered to all students who appear for the examination. Prizes for state toppers. State toppers are declared, excluding the top 100 national toppers. Top 3 rankers from each state are awarded a special award for encouragement and Olympiad Coach online subscription worth Rs 1198 and a certificate of appreciation. City toppers, top ranker in each class from selected cities, are awarded Olympiad Coach online subscription worth Rs 1198 and a certificate of appreciation. Note: city-wise topper is declared after the 100 ranks across the country, and state toppers. City rank for every class is declared for classes having a minimum of 500 students in a particular city. NSTSE topper, a student of any class who achieves first rank and 100% marks, is awarded a prize money of Rs 2 lakh. If no student achieves the same, then the student who achieves the highest percentage of marks among all the classes is awarded Rs 1 lakh. If more than one student achieve the same, the prize money will be distributed equally among them. Each topper will get either this prize or the regular prize. Ranking system: when more than one student gets an equal top score, priority for awarding ranks will be according to the marks acquired in the specified order of sections in the question paper. In case of a tie in deciding a rank because of the same marks, the time taken for completing the test is considered for deciding the rank. One who has taken less time for completing gets the upper rank. Thank you. I hope you have now got all the information about NSTSE. If you have any doubt, please write it in the comment box. Like the video now if it was helpful for you, and subscribe to the channel.